Hi everybody. First of all, I want to say happy holidays to you. Welcome back to Sharmone's Kitchen. So today, what I'm going to try to prepare for y'all is a vegetable casserole. We're going to name it a holiday casserole. I'm going to make two different casseroles though, so this is how I'm going to try to switch it up, y'all. I'm going to make one for the vegans with just vegetables, and one I'm going to add with meat, which is sausage. You can use turkey sausage, chicken sausage, but I'm going to use the Bob Evans sausage. I already prepared it, chopped it up. I wanted to show y'all I use the round ones. You can use the longer ones. Chop it up to prepare it in your dish. So we're going to go ahead and get it started. Give you a couple ingredients. Now, one thing I like about this dish, this is an all year round dish, but you bring this to the table for Christmas time that's coming up, for a brunch or even a dinner. Your family will love it. Trust me. There's a couple different ways you can make it. So like I said, I'm going to make one vegetable, and then we're also going to make one with meat in it. Let's go ahead and
get started. So I have my pan over here already getting warm. Go ahead and add the olive oil. And this is an easy dish, y'all. It's not hard. Very easy, healthy with the vegetables. Okay, and filling. So I have the vegetables and potatoes. And you also see one of the main ingredients will be the Pillsbury pie crust. Okay? I'm really liking that lately. Pillsbury pie crust. I'm going to do, I got spinach. Okay? I got fresh cut up spinach. I have about 8 cut up mushrooms. I have 3 cloves of garlic that I chopped up. I also have the cream of celery Campbell's. And I'm going to use the cream of chicken. Okay? Cream of chicken, cream of celery. Then I have about 8 large potatoes cut up. Okay, I boiled them already, prepared them, so they was almost done. You don't want them to get too soft, because that's going to be the base of your pie, of your casserole when you get ready to cut it, okay? And then I got a teaspoon of seasoning salt and pepper if you like, seasoning salt, put your own seasons, but I prefer the seasoning salt today, because I already have my garlic cloves cut up, so that will be enough garlic. And I have a half a cup of milk. You don't want it too runny, because after I saute the vegetables, it's going to be almost there, and we're going to be almost home. Don't want to keep it waiting too much longer. Let's go ahead and get this spinach cut up. I got it cut up. Let's go ahead and enter it into the pan. So I got about 2 big bunches of spinach. The ones that come in a clear big box in the vegetable department. I got 2 of those cut up, rinsed off, and ready to go. Let's go ahead and get that sauteed. Alright. Spinach going. Let's go ahead and get the mushroom and garlic in. Want to turn it down. You don't want the vegetables to burn. Okay.
So I'm not going to put my meat in yet. You know why? Because I'm going to make one vegan dish, and I'm also going to make one meat dish. Okay? Let me go ahead and get this mixed up here. Get this going. Let's go ahead and add the seasoning salt. Couple of minutes. So remember, even though I cut up all that spinach, it's going to minimize and shrink once you get it in the pan and start cooking. Alright, I'm going to do the cream of celery. Let's go ahead and do that. A whole can of cream of celery. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do the cream of celery. I got a rubber spatula. Taking out for the cream of celery. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed up. Make it real creamy here, so we can be able to spread it over our potatoes. Oh, the aroma smells delicious. You know I like my garlic. It brings that flavor out. Got the mushrooms with the seasoned salt and the spinach. Okay, got something going here. Okay, so I went ahead and added in that cream of chicken, cream of celery, and just use 2 teaspoons of milk. You don't want to make it too creamy because you already used the creamy ingredients I gave you. So you don't want that much milk. Maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk. So this is how we're going to do it. Go ahead and put the potatoes in first. I took the 8 potatoes and cut them up big. This is going to be one of our base parts. And y'all, it's easy. You just get to layering. So next you're going to take your pie crust. Remember, Pillsbury pie crust, 2 come in the box. And we're going to top the top off with that. Yes, we are. Okay, so what I want to do,
kind of get it around the rim. Make sure it's tucked good though. You want it kind of tucked. You want it around, but the crust be delicious. Yes. Or you can just do double tuck. If you want to keep all your crust and don't want to take it around the rim and cut it, you want to keep it all, you can do one of these numbers. You can double tuck. Okay. So I do have more sauce over here, filling, to go into the one that we're going to do with the meat, y'all. Yes. Okay.
There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and top this off with a little butter. Go ahead and get the oven turned on 350. We're going to get this one started, and then we're going to get the one with the meat started, y'all. Yes, it's just something about the holidays. Absolutely. It's heavy and very filling. Okay, let's go ahead and slide that in. I'll say for maybe like a good 30, 35 minutes. I'll let y'all know once it's done. Go ahead and show y'all the one with the meat, okay? Now, I didn't cook my sausage totally all the way done. It's like 80%, 85% done, but once I put it in the oven to bake more, it will become more prepared. It will be more done, okay? I didn't want it too dried out. So I'm gonna take this meat and add it in the rest of the sauce. All right, we're gonna get this thing stirred around. So, just repeat what I already showed you with the vegan. The casserole has stayed in there for about 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes until it became brown, okay? Now, I got a trick for you. If you're gonna put the edges out, and so the edges won't get too brown and black, it's a little trick you can do. You can go ahead and get aluminum foil, take the aluminum foil and just put it right around the edges of the pie so the pie edges won't get as dark or too burnt more than the inside of the pie crust, okay? That's a little trick from me to you if you don't already know, okay? Or you can also just take the edges and go around. If it's too brown for you, go around the edges and take it off. Or if you like the edges dark, that's fine with you. Fine with me, okay? Whatever's gonna work for you. So, this is the finishing product. Look at that. Let me get a glove because it is still piping hot, everybody. Okay, so this is the one with the meat in it. And this is the veggie, okay? Got that spinach seeking out the sides, ready to get eaten. So, I know it's hot, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. You wanna take it out the oven. Like I said, it's been in there 40 to 45 minutes. And then you wanna go ahead and let it cool off before serving. But we're gonna get to cutting in it today so you can
cut here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a mitten because it's still piping hot. Yes, it is. Okay. So we got the potatoes, we got the spinach.
see that? Creamy, good, and delicious. Okay, like I said, I went ahead and got the one with the meat in it. Let's go ahead and taste this. I need to blow it first, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta blow it first.
I'm doing some of that crust with
Delicious. The potato's not too wilted. The spinach is not too wilted because I didn't overcook it. Remember, you don't want to cook it all the way done because I got to bake in the oven for about 40 minutes. Happy holidays. Yes, this is good. And for the ones who don't want no meat, serve that. Awesome idea. Yes, it is. Trust me, you're going to like it and enjoy it. For me, I also
want to say happy holidays to everyone. It's that time of the year when you just want to call and check on someone, a friend, a family. You walking by a stranger. Like my cousin post today, we walking by each other mean mugging. For what reason? Everybody don't have to be mean mugging. Everybody's not your enemy. Say hi, how you doing? Keep on going. You don't have to hold a deep conversation with everybody. But you don't know what people are going through, especially it's the holidays time, okay? You be blessed as well, you and your family, okay? Like I said, it's the holiday time, and I get a little down missing my parents, my mom and my dad. But I know I'm surrounded by good people, my husband, my daughter, my loved ones, friends and family. It gets rough, but I gotta think about the good times. Push through, think about mom, grandma and them cooking in the kitchen, and it makes me excited, and it makes you move on.
You be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, like to Sharmone's Kitchen. Comment on it. If you got something you think you want me to cook or make, I'll do my best. I'll try to prepare it for you if I can. Share the video, like it, thumbs up, and y'all have a blessed holiday from my family to yours. Thank y'all for tuning in with me today with this good meal. Have a good one.